my kitchen. My name is Cheri, and today is Tuesday, so I have another fabulous tip for you. But before I get started, let me just say, if you like food, you love fun, you are in the right kitchen, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so if you tuned in last week, you saw where I showed y'all if you were out of brown sugar, how you could make it yourself. But oddly enough, we needed molasses to do that. And I think probably most people have brown sugar versus they were going to have molasses in their house, but you never know. So I got to thinking, because it really is just white sugar that's been coated in the molasses, if maybe you could use like a maple syrup or if you could use a honey for that. So that's something I'm going to have to check into. But anyway, getting back today, I thought a perfect follow-up to the brown sugar would be to show you how to make your own powdered sugar. So same thing, we just need a little bit of white sugar, and then I'm also going to put a little bit of cornstarch in here. Now, you don't necessarily need the cornstarch. You can do this with just the plain sugar, but a little bit of cornstarch is going to help it to keep from caking, and it's also going to make, like if you add like water or milk back into it, it's going to make that liquid less viscous, so it's going to make like a perfect icing or a glaze. All right, so I'm just going to dump 1 cup of sugar in here. Look at these measuring cups, aren't they cool? You can see the measurements from both sides. They pour really nice. And then I'm going to use so this is my adjustable measuring spoon. So it goes from 1 teaspoon all the way to 1 tablespoon. And they come in a set. So you get another one that goes from, I think, 1/8 of a teaspoon all the way to a teaspoon. But as always, I will put the link to all the products in the description below. All right, so 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So it's 1 cup of sugar to 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And then I'm going to use my high-power cooking blender to do this, but you can just use a regular blender. This is just going to go a little bit faster. So I'm just going to turn it on, and then in about, I'd say less than a minute, we're probably going to have powdered sugar. All right, so watch your face when you take this off, because check that out. Well, that is some pretty fine powder in there. So then I usually just take this. I feel like I'm eating it right now. I usually just take this and I store it in a Ziploc bag, or I put it in, I'll show you my little, and I don't think I'm going to pour it in here right now because I might end up making a huge mess like I normally do with powdered sugar. And actually, I have 2 of these. So the white one, I keep the powdered sugar in. This is the older one. The new one we have now is a stainless steel version, and that one I put cinnamon and sugar in. So, but this is perfect for French toast. Pretty cool, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. So the next time you don't have any powdered sugar on hand, no worries, right? You can just make your own. So if y'all have a tip that you would like to see me do on the episode, just put it in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and I will see y'all next Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye.